Hey you guys, just wanted to do a very quick demonstration between a Ninja Chef blender and a Blendtec blender. And what I want to do is the sound difference. So I just blended a smoothie in the Blendtec to try it out for the first time because I just bought it and it looks delicious. I will say though that these have been, my Ninjas have been doing a great job making our smoothies as well. The biggest complaint that we've had is the noise, the sound. We have a very hard time communicating with customers when somebody is blending a milkshake or a smoothie. And so I decided to invest and get something a little bit more sound controlled. And the difference is insane. So I'm going to show you, first of all, there is a cover for the Blendtec, and this is the blender that goes in it. And I'm going to put the cover. I'm going to do dry runs. There's not going to be anything in it, which technically would be louder because the liquid sometimes can absorb some of the sound. So we're going to do the Ninja Chef first on the same setting that I always use it on. And hopefully on the video, it will come across as loud as it is here. So here is the Ninja Chef blender. Okay, so some people have said put a different, like it might be vibrating against our NSF table, which is highly possible. We have put this cloth underneath it before and it didn't really make any difference at all. So that is the Ninja Chef. Here is the Blendtec without the cover on, without the shield on. And again, we're going to use the same setting. And then this is with the cover on. Oh my God, the difference is insane. When my employees get back from our vacation, it's going to be, even on high, look, I still can talk to you, you can still hear me. That is incredible to me. And because these blenders are in the back of the building, it's a lot easier for us to talk to the customers up at the service counter. Unbelievable. Now, when it's crushing ice, it's going to be a little bit louder, but there is absolutely no comparison to the sound of these two. I will say the power and the ability to do what it needs to do, the Ninja has done very well. I will attest to that. The only thing that I do like about the Ninja versus the Blendtec is that the jar is bigger. This is 72 ounces and this one is 36 ounces. But again, I mean, if you were to measure all the way up here, it would probably be closer to like 52 maybe. So it's still not quite the size, but honestly, when you're doing a 20-ounce cup of smoothie, you're not going to have much more than that anyway. We just liked it when we had multiple milkshakes that we would do at once, or multiple smoothies that we would do at one time, like the same flavor. But yeah, kind of digging that Blendtec. Can't wait for customers to be here so that we can actually try it with customers up at the service counter, which is right there. So yeah, so exciting.